Alright, so we were supposed to leave an hour early, but Jonathan took forever. And it's Friday, the last day of the week.
Wow, that was really good. Hey, do you want me to subscribe? Like, actually.
Okay, so we're going to Corpus Christi today, right after school at 3:30. Guess who forgot my phone charger? Well, I did, but I mean, like, I packed.
No, yes. You were like, alright, I'm going to take whatever I want. I'm going to take as little as possible so that I'm just going to leave everything for Jonathan to pick up.
I just assumed that you'd help me out and
Plus,
get it.
I didn't see your charger.
Where's my charger?
I didn't see your charger.
Why don't you get my charger? How am I supposed to record?
Well, do you have my charger, Michael?
And I think for my birthday, with like some money I'm gonna get, I think I'll buy myself like an actual camera.
Michael, do you have my shit?
No, I don't.
What is it, dude?
I don't know.
Drink?
Apple juice.
Anything else for you, sir?
I'll have orange.
Can I get a Cobb salad?
Coffee, what kind of drink?
Change that?
Ask her something.
No dressing, please.
Star.
Actually, can you give me two orange juices, please, instead of apple juice, please?
Ask her for like star fruit juice.
So I have this sausage burrito with
Something
orange
weird.
juice and then you...
See something quickly.
Hi, Nellen.
Dude, come on! You can't be saying her name like that. That's so weird.
Why can't we say her name? Oh, the lighting though.
Shut up, John.
Because she.
Yes.
Dude!
He's doing his homework, so he can't record right now. He's doing his homework
An hour
an hour before school.
It works.
Oh, it works. What do you have in the class?
94.
Oh, not
Highest
the
grade in my
98.
class. I have the highest grade in my class.
Oh, do you?
He does, actually.
You actually do. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. How do you like them apples? That's right.
Summer school, nothing to brag about.
Oh yeah, it's not, and it really. I'm a little sore from my game yesterday. We tied 8-8, and at the last second I cramped, so my calf is like killing me.
Hey.
All right, so this is Eddie. Say hi, Eddie. So this is usually what I do. He's in my class, and right now, like no one has an A in algebra.
Except for you.
No, I don't have an A.
Oh.
Steven was the only one that got an A on the test. Yeah. That's what happened. Eddie, why are you sad? Why are you leaving?
Because I'm not in Nellen's or Alex's debut. I'm not in their court.
So you just gotta leave.
Actually, no, I'm gonna go work out.
Alright. Oh yeah, that's
Gonna
another
get
thing.
swole, baby.
That's another thing. I used to be in the weight room with him after school, during the regular school year, but I don't know. We have different classes in summer school, except algebra, too. Calvin, come back. What's blocking me?
Everything.
It's a video. Stop. It's not nice to steal. Stop. I don't accuse you of stealing because you're, yeah.
There's so many things I could say right now that I'm not.
Oh my god. Alright, we're going in the small car to Corpus Christi. That's like 3 hours away.
If you don't get in, you're not gonna go.
Really?
This one?
I might. Ah! You almost ran over my foot! Hi, Mom. Where are we?
We are in Vietnam.
Oh, yeah, it's like some Asian market near my school. Actually, there's some pretty cool stuff here. Alright, I'm gonna go, Mom. Alright, let's go look at some of the stuff. Okay, like some of this stuff is really weird. Oh, okay, that definitely reminds me of Jonathan. Oh my god, what is this? Hey, I have a friend that looks like me. Yeah, all these remind me of Jonathan.
You need to
Matching shirts. It's
need to
Jonathan
have,
that copy. Alright, we're at the smokehouse. Yeah, and my dad doesn't shut off the air conditioning, so it's freezing the whole entire time. It's like an hour drive here. I didn't know where Santa's elves.
There are a lot of deer heads on the wall.
Yeah, I know. Look at this thing. Look at that. This is the only interesting thing in this bathroom. Oh shit! You actually whipped me. Ouch! Ow! You actually whipped me. Did you get? Jonathan's driving. You're driving, Jonathan. Now I have to record. All right, we're leaving the place, the meat place. All right, we're finally in Corpus Christi in our hotel. I know. Drove for 2 hours. And look at this. This is a little weird. This is a nice hotel. Look at this. Everything is really awesome. I drove for 2 hours for this. This is really nice. Whoa, it's a dinosaur. It's hollow. It's a T-Rex testicle. No, I'm just kidding. This looks like a giant grape. This looks like a spiky grape. Oh, this thing stinks. You smell.
It's not in your bag, Doc.
Well, unless this plastic bag is your bag. Yeah, this thing stinks. It doesn't smell very nice.
No, it's not.
Oh, you're so weird. Look, see, it's like a giant grape. It has a stem and everything. Oh, well. Mom, this thing stinks. Oh, my God. This thing really does stink. Wait, why did we get a jackfruit? We could have got any... I'm tired. Stop, don't. Come on, man. Yeah, I hit 50 subscribers today.
That was gay.
So gay. How gay? Alright, I hit 50 subscribers.
Oh, that is gay. He did it again?
I have to come up with something to say.
Yeah. No, the bed thing.
Alright, finally reached 50 subscribers today from YouTube.
Hey, are you trying to seduce them with your voice?
Oh.
Oh, look.
Are you trying to seduce them with your voice?
Yeah, that's right.
I hit 50 subscribers.
hitting
Subscribe
my
to me on
story.
YouTube. Ask me for it. He ate the jackfruit. Alright, well, thanks for watching and 50 subscribers.
5? Oh.
Yeah, alright. Like, comment, and subscribe. Pickles.